Meaning of European.
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 European. European is an adjective that refers to something relating to or coming from Europe, the second smallest continent in the world. Europe is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, and the Mediterranean Sea to the south. It is composed of approximately 50 countries with a rich history, diverse cultures, and many languages. The European Union is an economic and political partnership between 27 European countries, designed to create a united Europe to ensure peace and prosperity. Overall, European refers to anything related to this continent and its people.